does look a little bit like the Ioniq of past, but it is an EV performance vehicle which is inspired by the motorsport DNA, as Hyundai calls it. 478 kilowatts of power with a 0 to 100 in 3.4 seconds and a top speed of 260 kilometers an hour. This one is a screaming beast. The front profile looks really cool with these extra lined accents, and these orange accents add to this. This is a 21-inch performance wheels with the extra calipers, which are orange accented as well, giving it a cool new look. The side is somewhat similar to the Hyundai of past, but with these new wheels and the extra orange accents, it does make a good vehicle, I must say. The new colors that Ioniq offers is really beautiful, and they come in matte finish too, and that is awesome. And this Ioniq 5 has a cool looking moonroof, and I'll show that in just a bit. The rear is subtly changed. You can see those squares in the between the lights where the Ionic monarch is there, but even these are slightly different, as you can see in just a bit. You can see that these squares are not exactly the same. They all don't have the same fit and finish to it. They have a little bit of a subtle variation. You can see some of them are white, some of them are dark gray, where the lights come in, and that really adds to the look even when the lights are off. You can see that there is a rear camera there, and so there is a digital rear view mirror, and these flanges or these spoilers do add to the look, and when you apply the brakes, that lights up there, adding to the cool feature.